When I managed a collision repair facility, getting consistent positive reviews felt like an impossible task. Doing great work didn't always result in the highest reviews online. Some people just don't believe anyone is deserving of a perfect score. It was frustrating. It doesn't have to be. Let's dive into the 5 strategies to getting better reviews. My name is Craig Stevens, and welcome to CCC's YouTube channel and our Run My Business series. We're dedicated to bringing you practical, time-saving tips to help you run a more successful collision repair facility. We understand the challenges you face, and we know your time is precious. You need real strategies that deliver real results. So hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on future episodes. In today's digital age, online reviews are everything. They're the modern day word of mouth, and they can make or break your collision repair business. So many of us depend on reviews when we are deciding on a restaurant, buying a product, or looking for service. That's the world we live in now. You already know that positive reviews build trust, attract new customers, and have the potential to boost your bottom line. But how do you actually get those glowing reviews? That's what we'll be covering in this video. Today we're sharing 5 powerful strategies to help you generate more positive reviews for your collision repair facility and turn those reviews into paying customers. Strategy number 1, don't make your customers jump through hoops to leave a review. Make it easy to leave a review by providing direct links to your Google My Business profile, Yelp page, CarWise, Facebook, or other relevant platforms. You can include these links in follow-up emails, text messages, or even on a small card you hand out after the service is complete. Consider things like QR codes that they can scan and fill out a review on their phone because everyone has their phone within their reach these days. Strategy number 2, don't be afraid to ask for reviews. After a positive interaction, politely let your customer know that you'd appreciate their feedback. Timing is key here. Ask when the experience is fresh in their mind, and don't forget that in that moment, you are talking to the right person. I've had situations where we sent the review to someone else in the household that we didn't deal with throughout the course of the repairs. As a result, the review wasn't great when we know that the person who picked up the car would have given us a better one. Consider training your staff to incorporate review requests into their customer interactions, starting at the time of drop-off. Strategy 3, you've earned those great reviews, so why keep them a secret? Make sure they're visible to potential customers. Feature your best reviews prominently on your website. Consider creating a dedicated section where you highlight a rotating selection of positive feedback. Share these reviews on your social media channels too. Whether you realize it or not, people are searching for you everywhere. And the more places you can brag about your business, the better. Think of your positive reviews as social proof. They build trust and credibility. When potential customers see that others have had a great experience with you, they're more likely to choose you for the repairs. It's like a digital word of mouth recommendation. Strategy 4, responding to reviews is crucial, both positive and negative. Thank customers for their positive feedback and address any concerns raised in negative reviews. This shows that you value customer feedback and are committed to providing excellent service. A thoughtful response can even turn a negative experience into a positive one. Don't start a fight with your response. Remember, keep it light and invite them to reach out directly so any issues can be resolved. And did you know that responding to all your reviews, both good and bad, can actually give your shop a boost in Google search results? Google's algorithm recognizes engagement and responsiveness as a positive signal, which can improve your visibility in local searches. So taking the time to reply is not only good customer service, it's good for your SEO too. It's also essential to manage your reviews across all relevant platforms. Don't just focus on Google. Think about Yelp, CarWise, Facebook, and other sites where customers might be leaving feedback. A consistent presence and proactive engagement on all these platforms shows your commitment to customer satisfaction and helps you build a strong online reputation across the board. Strategy number 5. Those of you that know me know I've been in the industry for quite some time, and as a result, I have seen some things. Plus, I'm from New Jersey, so pay attention to this next one. While directly paying for reviews is unethical, You can offer small incentives for leaving honest feedback, such as a discount on future services or an entry into a monthly drawing. But don't tie the incentive to a positive review. Make it clear that you're just looking for honest feedback, whether it be positive or negative. Let's be honest, generating positive reviews takes effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Back in the day, your biggest source of advertising was the car you just repaired, sitting in your customer's driveway or the parking lot of their job for all to see. It was your mobile business card and a source of conversation between neighbors and coworkers. Now, people are searching for a collision repair at night, online, from their couch. By implementing these 5 strategies, you can build a stellar online reputation, attract more customers, and grow your collision repair facility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more tips on running a successful collision repair facility, be sure to check out the links in the description for more resources on online reputation management.